Hadin ba kajala kalashim ya kasinjam banti dewiong da kastat sayan, lani da kikor kibor kabalong ha kadorjong ko open cast mining, kata da kabati ya kakendo bat shimtang ya udoyong, ki arngut kinong tauan kajala kentup ya menteri rangba kajala Conrad ki sangma, bat Mukul sangma, kila Kyntait ban kren eiei halor kani. Menteri rangba kajala Conrad ki sangma ha kakatnriu tarik rempang, ulaong kisaungut ki tripar, kila yo ya ka mining plan. Henry day uriu shampang ha ka mining plans, kumta kwa ban kren eiei halor ka plan, kabla ajing bit da kitanat na ka sorkar pedeng. Kidan bon jat ki benta kentup ya ka rukam bat kendo, kaya per na kiwei ki jela sya kiwei pan, kumta ru ki kendon ki polisi ru ki per haba nujor bat ki jongkari bat kiwei. U Conrad ulaong baka sorkar ka sngokumen ba ki at ha ka lenti ka badai, bat shen kan sedang no ka jingtih dewiong ha ka stat sayan. Kat ba na kalyang menteri rang ba bareng Mukul sangma, ulaong ba na kalyang jong umla ban kren eiei halor ka open cast mining, la ban le ni ha jela, klem dayo iya ki jing batay ba benya ha ka bayade bat ka rukam pendan kam ya kita ki kor ki bor bat ka rukam. Umukul ulaong bakidan arbenta, bat kini kilong ki bakongsan, kaway kadey ka rukam pentre bat kaway pat, kabaya day bat kaan.
Has got their own mining plans. I'm not an expert in the mining plans, and hence I don't want to comment on all those aspects. But all the plans will be approved by central government agencies, which is what is being done. And the process, of course, is tedious because, as I said, there are different aspects of the land holdings, being different in our state compared to the others, and hence the policies that apply here are different from the policies that apply in the rest of the country, and so on and so forth. So keeping all those factors in mind, the fact that this is happening for the first time, things are taking a bit longer than we would want to. But once we have a system that comes into place, the policies, and as and when the tweaking takes place for the cases for Meghalaya and wherever adjustments need to be made based on the different conditions, I'm pretty sure that in the coming months and years, the following processes will be much more smoother. So therefore, it's a process. We are happy that things are moving in the right direction, and we're very hopeful, as I said, that things should be happening very, very soon. So let's wait and let's hope for the best. As I said, we're very positive. It's in the right track, but I don't want to share too much. I'll speak more about it when actually. Basically, the mining plans are made by mining engineers and experts. I am not in a position to be able to comment on it. And that's the reason why we have expert government of India agencies that are going to approve that. So obviously they will study all the aspects and only then give the approval.
Two things which is very crucial. One is the technicality, one is the legality. Okay, the technical part and the legal part. So in as far as the technical part is concerned, what is the type of what is the type of mining technology that they would like to put in place will be determined by respective mines. I think that is how I understand. In as far as the kind of mining which must have been taken into consideration as they examine the proposal, as they examine the mining plan, and therefore, unless I look at the technicality part of this whole consideration which has taken place and ultimately resulted in approval of this mining plan, I will not be able to say until I see the complete interpretation of the technical part. We will have to see everything from technicality perspective.
Don't you think it is taking
to ask them? You have to ask the people who are in the authority. I will not reply on their behalf.